welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is April. I'm bringing you guys along with me from Miami to Toronto. I'm gonna go to Toronto for like a week. I have a couple bookings and I'm gonna get some microneedling and some Botox and my boobs done while I'm out there. Right now I'm just finishing up packing and getting ready, and I'm gonna head to the airport soon. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it keep and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these kids. So I don't want to eat like all day, but I'm gonna get changed. I'm gonna go to the airport soon. I just finished packing, and now I'm eating my meal plan. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna head to the airport soon. God, I'm so tired. I literally got this flight booked at like 3 in the morning, and I did not sleep. Look at this hair day. It's a Friday. How it's looking really so fast. Getting bleaching time and a haircut, so it's tired right now. Made it. Made it to the hair salon. Can't wait. How we're looking with all the bleaching. Still waiting for it to develop. I'm gonna rinse now. Before I just rinsed the back. Just finished washing. I'm about to put the toner on, but guys, this is how your hair should look with no toner. Insane. That is mixing right now. I'm about to put it on. How we're looking with the toner on. This stays for like 20 minutes. Snacks and a dog. I'm so spoiled. Team. Almost done. So good. Tea like always. Back at the crib. It turned out so good. I'm marinating the water for a bit. I'm just gonna chill now. I'll update you guys in a bit when I start the makeup work. I have not done makeup in a literal month. So it turns out for today, but I'm doing before and after for tonight. Because my skin was literally nothing on it. So heading to just now. In the fucking trenches. Like look at this. Oh yeah. God. Yeah. We're back in the ghetto. Well, this makeup is done. I'm just waiting to get paid. So hard. I'm gonna actually fall down the stairs. It's right outside. No. At the crib, I was kind of mid and I'm so tired. I want to see how fast I can make a vlog and
literally go to bed. Makeup's off. I'm gonna head to bed, guys. I'm so tired. It's, oh my gosh, 7. Talk to you guys later today when I get out. Okay guys, next day now. 7. I got up literally at 6. I'm so worn out. I should get ready in like an hour and a half. So I'll do you guys in a bit. I'm trying my makeup and everything. But now I'm just gonna chill, eat, and figure out where tonight. I'll be like walking. My girl. I way too much. Let me know what you guys think. I think this is actually eating. Not bad. I wish I didn't cut my hair so much, but the front pieces have almost caught up. So by next month, it should be even. I'll get the trim next month, and then I'm gonna grow it to my collarbone. Okay, guys, about to go to work. It is on my other phone. It's like 11:15. Trying to get on the floor for 12. So I'll see you guys there doing FYE tonight and tomorrow. So hopefully it's good. I'll do money counts with you during the night and after. Take a change. Actually, so tan. Oh my god. Alright, change. I'm also just head to the floor. So far, it's a dead out. So hopefully, it ends up being good. Counting some moolah. We're lit. I'm getting US and Canada. The fake money is killing me. This shit looks hilarious.
Like 900.
Late as fuck. Finally leaving. Some hoe tried to rob me. Funny as shit. Robbed her right back. We're lit. Outside. Back at the crib. We got our Canadian and we're just gonna count up this little stack of worms and split it. We're just getting ready for bed because it is 6 a.m. We just finished counting. We have the US. It was only like 50 each. Then I have from tonight and then yesterday and then some more private events. So far not doing bad for 2 days. Gonna work till like Tuesday at least. So we have Sunday, Monday, 3 nights left. So I'm gonna wash my makeup off. The lighting better like this. I don't know. Just doing my peptides, drinking a protein shake. I just made a smoothie. This working powder is decent. At 6, like when I get back on my work schedule, I don't know how to function. We got ready. I'm gonna just go run a few errands and grab some food. You already know. Outside. Okay, just got to work. I have to just change and I get on the floor. It's like 1 a.m. So I need to get in the booth by like 2. Back outside. Okay, just counting money now. Yeah.
Okay, so it's going home, so I'm gonna go home. My charge.
We lit. Thanks, miss. back at the crib and we're gonna go to bed eventually. It's almost 10 a.m. What was that, Sunday night? Dog shit. Never going back there. Next day now, guys, it's Monday. And then someone spilled cranberry juice in my hair. I don't know if you can see that. I woke up late as shit again today. I have just enough time to do my toes. Let's head to nails right now. We have to leave, so before I'm ready. Here's my skin prep quickly. I just opened a new Charlotte Tilbury lotion. So satisfying. I already put it on, but I think my other one was getting kind of old. I had it for so long. That's why I always get like the medium or small sizes, because I feel like the product gets kind of old after a while. And I can never finish the big sizes in time. But tomorrow I actually go shopping in person. Order some stuff on Skims. So in my next Miami vlog, you'll see that haul. But tomorrow I need to pick up a new eyeliner and a couple more things from Sephora. Right now I'm still getting ready. I'll always do my eyeliner first. I finished makeup. We're back to already packed, trying a new club tonight, so we'll see how this goes. I'm back at the crib, just washing my hands. So taking off all this makeup. Tonight was actually pretty decent. Only worked for like 2 hours. First they're off. Now the Panoxyl. Leave this on while I take my shower. Next day is Tuesday. I actually got out of bed before 8 p.m. So I'm gonna go shopping today. I'm gonna go to Yorkdale. Already kind of got ready and everything. I'm just gonna head right now. I just got to the mall. Already got harassment time after 30 seconds of being here. Going to Louis Vuitton first, then see what we get up to. Yeah, we found a Skims. Yes. I'm just gonna grab a sports bra and some socks. So cute. Outside at Sephora. So cute. I said a beauty blender. They don't have my eyeliner in stock. This one is the best beauty blender. Now we're hungry. Chick-fil-A. I'm so hungry. I got a Starbucks. I'm so tired. So far I just got some Skims Nike and a beauty blender. They didn't have my eyeliner in stock. But we didn't working tonight, guys. I'm so tired. I'm at Holt. Going to Skims. So cute. Just the aloe now. I actually found some really cute stuff. Hyped to try these. There's actually Eats. And the back is like open. So, I like this top so much more than these sweatpants. I'm getting this outfit. Outside, I got our cute little aloe waters. Slay. I actually got some good shit. I'm going to give you guys a little haul. Back to the crib. Shout out to the boobs for holding everything. Almost back, guys. I have to get ready for work as soon as I get back to the crib. Came back to the crib, just showered and everything. I'm just getting ready for work. I literally have like 45 minutes to do my makeup. Makeup's done. I had to work right now, waiting on this slow ass Uber. The lighting is so much better here. I was like, there's no way my makeup looks that bad.
Stop me, my old friends told me to watch it. Tell me I'm playing what I let, I still take flight. This little boy cute for that, so what he doing tonight? I'm green the club, but it tastes like Sprite.
downstairs. Well, whatever. Take my makeup off and go put to bed because I have to get up super early for my appointments tomorrow before I have to wake up for Miami. So before sure guys, I'm ready for bed. Wednesday, like 5 in the morning. I worked from like Thursday to Tuesday, not bad. Quick trip to Toronto. Yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of my vlog. Just show you guys my little work weekend. I'm gonna show you guys my haul from the stuff I got earlier today in my next video. But guys, thank you so much for watching. All my socials will be linked down below. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see from me. And I'll see you guys in my next video.